How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Let's say you're trying to access the Sportsbook through FanDuel, and unfortunately FanDuel is only available in the United States. Now, whether you're trying to access the DraftKings Sportsbook or FanDuel or whatever it is, you're going to be able to access it from any location using a proper VPN with good obfuscation, which is why I have these three suggested right here. So if you guys are interested in any of them, you'll find links to pricing and discounts as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about them in the description down below. Now, all you need to know here is that you just got to find the proper location for the service you're trying to access. So in this case, FanDuel is available in the United States. And not in all states is it legal, but only in a few states, and New York is one of them. So let's go ahead and see what happens here. I'm connected to the NordVPN American server. Let's just refresh. And now I have access to FanDuel as if I'm in the United States myself. And I can just click on the Sportsbook link right here and I am good to go. It's as simple as that. So if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, they all vary in budget and features. It's up to you whether you want to go with one or the other. The thing that you want to know essentially about them is that they all work with unblocking streaming services, with gambling sites, and with streaming services, and they all allow for torrenting and whatnot. So if you guys are interested in any of them, you'll find links to pricing discounts in the description down below. And you also find full reviews if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.